RubberForm's next generation 4-inch pipe and hose ramp is the ideal solution for waterline restoration and for accessing hydrants across a busy street. Unlike our competitors that have a cheap plastic flimsy lid on top, our solution completely covers the pipe and you'll have no risk of these ever opening up, exposing your pipe or hose on the job site. Our new 2-piece design makes for a faster installation. Simply connect and bolt the pieces together. A new feature is that each ramp now interlocks for secure continuous run. Here at RubberForm, we are always innovating and listening to all comments from our customers on how to improve all of our solutions. Our 4-inch pipe and hose ramp is a great example of that. Our previous model was a 3-piece set with 2 ramps sliding into an interconnect to create the channel on top, exposing the pipe or hose. Our new model now completely covers it, as well as making it wider to have a smoother transition for lower clearing vehicles while maintaining that same durability that you trust with RubberForm to allow larger construction vehicles to transition over as well.